Hi everyone, in this video, let's learn how to fix Microsoft not downloading apps problem. So start by tapping your Windows icon and then go to your settings. Now tap on the three hamburger lines and then go to your installed apps. And then we want to type Microsoft Store. So this works in any Windows that you have, whether 16, 10, or 11. Then tap the three dots and then you are now here on the Microsoft installed apps. Scroll down a bit and go to the reset option. So if this app isn't working right, then we can try to repair it so the app won't be affected. But if it's still not working, then the data's app or the app's data will be deleted. So just do the process, but if still not working, so then we want to go to this option on your search bar. Just type look for your task manager and then tap on this option to run new task, and then look for this PC local disk and then window files, then scroll down a bit and look for the system 32. Okay, so there you go. Just look for this one, the CMD, and try to open that one. Tick this box and to create the task with administrative program. So in here, this is now the administrative task that we're making. Now from here, just type scan now and then click enter in order for this to continue the process, and then try to restart and see if your Windows Store is now working. So that's basically the process for now. Hopefully any of the methods that we have shown here in this video would work for you. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to give us a like and subscribe for more updates.